I'm feeling some tenderness and like a bubbling of joyousness and gratitude as I feel into what the last 12 months of this practitioner training have been for me. And yeah, what feels most present and alive in my experience right now is how impactful the tools, the teachings, the practices have been in increasing my capacity and my ability to hold myself and to hold parts of me that had been shamed into exile and weren't welcome in my inner or outer experience. And I had previously trained in sacral somatic therapy or yoni massage therapy, and that I had a really great foundational base for welcoming in my emotional and my erotic. But this training kind of took that, made me look at some quite revealing truths of where I was pretending a lot of that was free, and took me into so many deeper layers of where those parts were constricted and stuck, and provided me with the tools to give them some freedom and some aliveness so that they could move into something different, and gave me the tools to meet the intensity of their sensations, and then actually be able to communicate that with others in my life as well, where they needed to be met with communication. And what this looked like for me was being able to feel the parts of myself and stay present with the parts of myself that wanted to escape or run away or shut down or freeze in my personal relationships and my family dynamics, and even to the point where I would often avoid and run away from clients because I couldn't meet these sensations in my body. So yeah, it's safe to say that there has been a huge reclamation and ripple effect and tidal waves even in the way that my world has been dismantled and rebuilt on foundations that feel really potent and true and alive and embodied for me. So thank you to Chantal and her beautiful team at the Embodied Awakening Academy.